Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, then welcome. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications every time I post a video. But today I'm doing my big shoe haul. I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys want to see my fall makeup look or my shoe haul, and it was such a close vote, so I decided to do my shoe haul today, and I did already upload the fall makeup tutorial if you guys haven't seen that. Also, I do have a tutorial on this makeup. It's my everyday makeup look, and I'll also link that below. But my lip gloss is Fenty Gloss, so I'm not wearing the same lip, but everything else is the same. But yeah, I have the biggest shoe haul. This is probably the biggest shoe haul you will ever see, maybe the second, I don't know. But I have Nikes, I have heels, I have boots, like I have everything. I did a wardrobe clean out, and I probably cleaned out like a third of my shoes because they were just outdated and shoes that I don't really wear that much anymore. So I just tried to film like the try on portion, but I just cannot get it right. So I'm really sorry I'm not gonna be able to try on the shoes, but I will insert photos of all the shoes for you guys. I'm so sorry. You have to have the right angle for a shoe haul, and I just could not do it on my own, and I don't have anyone to help me film, so I'm really sorry. The next time you guys see a shoe haul, I will be having someone help me film because I thought I could do it on my own. So I'm really sorry, but I hope you guys enjoyed the haul anyway. Alright, so the first pair I got are these I think these are called the Air Max Plus, and they look like this. They have like a velvet finish to it. I probably own like 8 or 9 pairs of shoes, like sneakers. I'm not really a sneakerhead. I mostly wear like boots, heels, sandals, you know, but I love these. I see these shoes everywhere, but like they have a lot of different colors. I don't really see this velvet one very much, and I thought they were just so pretty. They're like a light pink, and it has this like icy gray to it. I just think they're so cool, and they have this little like TN logo and right there as well. I don't know if I said the name. These are called Air Max Plus, but yeah, they come in a lot of different colors. I really wanted the red one, but they didn't have it in stock, so I just got these, and I love how these look on the foot. I got them in a size 7, and that's my normal size, but I do have wide feet, so it is kind of hard to find shoes that are really comfortable and shoes that I like. So yeah, I love these so much, and they're so cute. These look so good on. I don't know how to explain it, but the shape of the shoe just looks so good on. So I'm obsessed with these, and I love that it has like the little logo. I love them. Second pair I got are some Air Max 270s. I've been wanting some for the longest time. They run really narrow, so I got a half size up. So I think, yeah, I got these in a 7.5. I love all the colors they have, so it was really hard for me to choose which one I wanted, but I went with this because I think this would look really cute with like an army green jacket, like a camo jacket. So yeah, I got these, and they're basically like a white-ish gray, and then it has like an orange bubble, and they're just so beautiful. I liked this one because it wasn't like fully orange. It was just like the back was orange, so I love these. They're not the most comfortable in my opinion. I think the other ones are more comfortable, but these are just so cute. I feel like they do kind of look big. Like, do they look big to you guys? I feel like they look very long. I got so many DMs about this shoe when I posted it on my Instagram, and they're from Pretty Little Thing. Like I said, I'll try to link everything below, but these are kind of like a, is it snakeskin or crocodile? I think it's snakeskin, but it kind of has that print. I hope you guys can see it. They're so cool. They have kind of like a chunky heel and a pointed toe, and I've just been looking for white boots for the longest time, and I just cannot find any, and these are gonna be perfect. I just picture these with like a teddy bear coat. The next boots I have are these. They're kind of like the knee-high boots. Is that what you call it? Knee-high boots, and they look like this. I really like the material. I think it's called Lycra. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but it's kind of like that material, and I really like it because I do have thicker legs. I mean, my legs aren't as thick as they used to be, but yeah, I find it kind of hard to find boots that like, because all the boots I have tried to buy, they just like suffocate my thighs, and it just like all my fat's just like squished, you know, at the top, and these don't do that. So I really like the material of them, and they're pointed. They look like this. I think these would be cute with like denim, or even wearing it with like denim shorts in the summer or when you go out. I really just needed some nude boots. I don't have any. All my boots are like black, gray, and red, so I wanted to get a nude pair, and I got these. They're really, really nice. They're from CLUBWEAR. I also ended up getting them in this like olive green. I think they're so pretty, and you guys can see the wood is darker on this one. But it's the same shoe. It's from CLUBWEAR, and I got these in a size 7. They're so cute. I love this color right now, especially because it's fall. So the star of the show is Miss Lola, also known as Lola Shoutique back in the day, but I have been shopping on this website for shoes since high school. It's been so long, and they just have the best shoes. Like whatever shoe you're looking for, you can find it on their website. Like they have everything. So I might have a coupon code. I will leave it below if I do, but I got these super cute, like thicker ankle strap heels. I've been looking for thicker ankle strap heels for the longest time, and these shoes, because my feet are more wide, it's so hard to find. So they're like a suede material. They have this little like buckle on the top, and it has like a clear strap right here. I love how the strap right here is a little bit thicker, and they're just so beautiful. Like this is exactly what I wanted. Next one I got are these white ones, and I've been looking for white heels as well. I don't own any, and they're so hard to find. I don't know why they're so hard to find, but I got these, and these look amazing on. Like they make your legs look super long, and they have, again, like a thicker ankle strap, and they look like this. They have kind of like this, I don't know, it kind of looks like a piercing, doesn't it? But they have kind of like these 3 bars right there, and I love this. I mean, I kind of wish it didn't have that and it was just like simple, but I still really like them. I just love the way they look on, so I got them in all the colors. So I got the black one, looks like that, same thing, but these just look so sleek. I love them. So I got black, and then I also got nude, and yeah, they're so beautiful. They're literally amazing. I had to get all 3. If I had to choose one to get, I'd probably get the white one just because they're so different, but I love them all, so I got them all. My hair is just gonna be everywhere in this video, but the next one I got are these boots, and I don't have anything like this either. They're like a shiny material, and they're so cool. They're pointed, and they have this silver zipper. It has like a little ring on the top, but love these so much. Such a statement boot, but it can be worn really easily because it's black. So yeah, I love these. I'm trying to go through these pretty quickly. So next I got these really cool snakeskin ones. I don't have anything snakeskin. I don't have any clothes that are snakeskin. I don't have any shoes, so I wanted to get these, and they have a little bling on them. They're so cute. So they're pointed, and they just look like that, and then they kind of wrap around your foot. I'll show you guys in the little try on, but these are so cute, and I love them. I feel like they would just spice up any outfit. You could wear like a denim jacket, an all black outfit, literally anything. I think they're so cool. So I got these, and I love these. These are one of my favorites too. Then I got another pair of like diamond heels, and they look like this when they come. So pretty. I'm going to Vegas in February, so a lot of these shoes I'm gonna be bringing, but I love these. They kind of just wrap around your ankle, but they're so cute. So yeah, these are one of my favorites as well. I just think they're so beautiful, and they really just glisten. Next, I got these heels, and I really liked these too. They're more of like an orangey, like a peachy nude. They're not like a pinky nude or a brown nude. They're more of like a peach tone, and I just loved the studding that it had, and it's just like an ankle strap. This one, as you guys can see, is very thin. And I just thought these were really cute. I feel like I could wear them a lot, so I got these in black as well. I love the black ones more than the nude ones, but they look like that. How cute are these? I just think they're so simple, and they're really cute. These blue heels, and I do not have any colored heels, I don't think. Yeah, I don't have any, so I thought getting like a blue would be really pretty. This is a gorgeous blue. It's like a cobalt blue, and it is suede. It has kind of like a thicker heel, and it just wraps around your ankle. I thought these were so cute. I love the color, and I don't know, just pop a color, why not? So these are the last ones from Miss Lola, but not my last shoes of the haul. I got these like clear heels. I don't know how else to explain them. They're just like the clear ones, and they have like a nude base. These are so poppin', like they're everywhere, and unfortunately, since my foot is really wide, they don't fit me. but I love them, and the last time I checked they were sold out, so I can't rebuy them, but I love these so much. I got these in a size 7. I probably would wear a 7.5 or an 8 in these because they're very narrow and just because, you know, all this stuff. But these are so beautiful. If they're in stock now, I will definitely repurchase them, but yeah, they're so beautiful. All right, so the last two I have are from LULUS, and this is what they look like. So they're like a white shoe with nude, and it's studded. I love how it looks. Like, how cute is that? I feel like they just look like really high end, and I love that. So yeah, I love these. I think they're so cute with just like light blue jeans, like casually worn. I think these would be so cute. And so I also got them in black. Again, these are just like a sleek look. So I just feel like this goes with everything, and I just loved how they look. I don't have shoes that have this type of like wrap. So yeah, those are the last ones I got. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the shoe haul. Make sure you guys like the video and leave a comment below, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!